Welcome to Stitch Rewards, where you switch points for products. And staying on brand, it's super simple and easy to do. You'll first sign up, then you'll start earning points, and then you'll switch those points out for something that you've been wanting in the shop. Let me get right down to it. How to earn Stitch points. Well, you're going to earn points with every purchase, and that includes any automatic purchases through the subscription services. Share your most recent purchase or what you love about Switch Stitch and you'll get another chunk of points. Your first follow of Switch Stitch on Instagram and Facebook are two separate ways to earn points. And then the simplest way is just simply being you. You're gonna get a chunk of points added to your account on your birthday. And the switching of points for products is pretty simple. For every 100 points you have, you get $1 off of your order. So be sure to sign up and start racking up those points. I can't wait to see what you get. One last thing, once you create your account, be sure that you're logged in for any purchases so that you can be sure to get rewarded with points. And as always, let me know if you have any questions about it. All right, see you so soon.
To create a Stitch Rewards member account, fill in the form, make a password, and click Submit. Then you'll pop over to your email, hit the refresh button, and look for the confirmation email. Click on the Confirm Subscription button, and it will ask you to go to the website. Once you're on the website, you'll see your name in a gold box in the top right corner. From there, look to your left, find the Rewards button in green, and that's where all your information will be. You can see what rewards you have, how many points you have, and the different ways to earn those points. To start earning points immediately, go ahead and follow Switch Stitch on Instagram and Facebook. Then share your most recent purchase or what you love about Switch Stitch over on Facebook. Then the last thing to do is add your birthday to your Stitch Rewards account. Once you click Save Date, that's it. You're done. That easy. You just earned yourself 100 Stitch Rewards.